you have a shirt on. I promise. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Maggie Hardy and today I have an exciting video for you. Today I'm just going to do the August BoxyCharm unboxing. I got it here. I've already opened it. I haven't played with nothing. But guys, let's just dig into it. I'm just going to show y'all what I got. I know that there was quite a few of variations out there this month. So I kind of wanted to share with you what I got personally, possibly. If you got something different, absolutely let me know. I would love to know it. So, of course, we got our little pamphlet here. And on the back, you get 20% off a Smashbox and 25% off a Lilli Los Angeles. Coupons. Who don't love a coupon? Coupons. So, we open it up and it says, Life of the Party. Hey, Maggie Hardy, Life of the Party. And then it says live it up, and then it has a little cute photo of Lilli and a whole bunch of other people, and they got their names on there too. In my box, I got the House of Lashes. These are in Sweet Romance. So beautiful. And these retail for anywhere between $9 to $12. So the next item that I have is organic infused sweet almond cuticle oil. And I believe it says treat your nails and your cuticles after a night out, lightweight, non-greasy, with vitamin E. It retails for $18. And then I also know that there was variations of the Smashbox products and the products that you might have received. I got a Be Legendary lipstick, and this retails for anywhere between $21 to $24. And I got the color Spectacle Testicles. And this is what the packaging looks like. And then I'm just going to open it up. And this is the color here. It is like a nice coral orange summer color. I actually have a YSL lipstick that kind of is this color. So I'm actually going to save this for a giveaway. The next thing that I'm pulling out is these Wander Beauty. These are baggage claim gold eye masks, which I really love eye masks. And with our box last month, we actually got a Wander Beauty, it's sitting right here, mascara, and I really love this mascara. I've used it nonstop since I got it, so I cannot wait to try these. You can never have too much moisture and lift on your under eyes. And these actually retail for $13. The next thing I see is a Bang Beauty. Where's Bang Beauty? It's a chocolate eyeliner. Use it as eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate toned pomade is the ultimate triple threat. And this retails for $22. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Don't smell like chocolate. But it's a brown pomade. I probably won't, I know it won't match my brows. Let me see here. But it would be good for an eyeliner or a base, like they said. So I can't wait to try this out. And then last but not least, we have our Lilli Los Angeles Party Animal Palettes. And she looks like this. Very pretty, very vibrant colors, and I really cannot wait to play with this. This retails for $19. And I will go ahead and do some swatches for y'all. Okay, so these are your swatches here. Just upon touching it, they feel really dry, except for this purple shade up here. This one was creamy, but then it was very patchy. But swatches are swatches. You already know you need to play with it. But they're absolutely beautiful colors. I think my favorite color is this pink right here with the glitter in it. And as I said, this retails for $19. Guys, this month we got 6 full-size products, which is amazing. Now, I don't know if I would say it's my favorite box because there's really nothing in here that I was so excited about, but I am very grateful for everything that's in the box because you get 6 products for $21. And the full retail price of this box is $108. So we get all these products for $21.99. and the box equals out to $108. So it's actually a very good box this month. I'm very happy with it. Okay guys, so that is it. Just a short and sweet video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing for y'all. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that red button below. It would mean the world to me. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. And you can also find me on all my other social medias, which will be linked down below. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all again soon. Bye, y'all.